Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store, then tap here, go to the Manage Apps and go to the library. Now what? Manage Apps and Devices. Manage. Updates available. And here you can update your unupdated apps. As you can see, I only have the only one app which is not up to date. It's YouTube, so you can update it by tapping the update button next to it, and that's how you can update. If you have like other unupdated apps, you will have them in this list, but as you can see, I only have YouTube. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.